Question number 5. The diameter and length of a roller is diameter 120 centimeter and length means height 84 centimeter respectively. To level the ground, 200 rotations of the roller are required. Number of rotations n. How many? 200 rotations of roller are required to level the ground. Okay. Find the expenditure to level the ground at the rate of rupees. Rate of leveling. Rupees 10 per. Series. Rupees 10 per square meter. Did you get it? This is rate. Number of rotations. Now here we want in meter. Square meter. Now this is in centimeter. This is in centimeter. First see here. D diameter is equal to 2r is equal to 120. R is equal to 120 upon 2 is equal to 60 centimeter. So we convert centimeter into meter. So 60 upon 100, that is in meter, means 0.6 meter. Now this height also we convert into meter. 84 upon 100 is equal to 0.84 meter. Did you get it? Now from this we will find the cost of, what is question? Rate of leveling is given. Then find the expenditure or cost of leveling. Expenditure or cost of leveling. Now see this carefully. When any roller, when levels, see this, levels ground, see this is roller and this is suppose ground. When this roller levels this ground this way, starts from this marking, shear marking, this is upside marking. When we level this ground this way, then that moves this way, moves and completes one rotation, then this much ground, that is level. Did you get it? Means one rotation means curved surface area of this roller. Did you get it? One rotation means curved surface area of this roller. Did you get it? Therefore, see this carefully. Now, directly we will find the expenditure. So, see this. Therefore, the expenditure of leveling the ground is equal to direct, see this, rate of leveling, into number of rotations, into, I said, what is curved surface area of roller or that cylindrical roller. Did you get it? Into curved surface area of roller. Did you get it? Now we put values. See here. Therefore, the expenditure of leveling the ground is equal to rate of leveling 10 upon square meter into number of rotations means n. What is 200 curved surface area of roller. What is curved surface area? You don't know formulae. Okay. Now see this. Curved surface area always in here in meter. No, everything is in meter. So square meter. Square meter. Square meter. Numerator, denominator cancel. Therefore, rupees. See here 10 into 200 into 2 means series 4, 2 to the 4 and 3 zeros into 22. What is pi? Pi is not given. 22 upon 7 into r. What is r? 0.6. No, radius. And h. What is h? 0.84. See this. D is equal to 120. We keep as it is. And instead of this 2r, we can put that also. 120 upon 100 convert into meter. Did you get it? Keep as it is also or find radius. Now, see this. Therefore, rupees. See this. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Therefore, 4,000 or 22 into 4. 22 into 4. Did you get it? 22 4 is 88 into 12 into 6. 12 into 6 72. 1 2 3. How many decimal places? 3. We give denominator or we write denominator 1000 for 3 decimal places. Did you get it? Then these are cancelled. Therefore, product of these two, see here, 72 into 88. 8 2s are 16. 8 7s are and 1. Okay. Then same way 6 7 5. 6 3 3 6. Rupees 6,336. Therefore, the expenditure of leveling the ground is equal to rupees 6,336 rupees.